Welcome to qnawire.
So here the swimmer speed is given as 3 km per hour. So this is like this, swimmer will go like this. And the river speed is given as 5 km per hour. This is, let us say this is the river. And we have a situation like this. And say this is the river. So this is 5 km per hour. This is 3. So this is, this angle is theta. So this is V sin theta. And this is V cos theta. So we can say that time required for the swimmer to cross the river will be t, which will be distance divided by velocity. So the distance is given as 0.5 and the velocity is t sine theta. T sine theta. Let this angle is given as theta. This angle is theta. This angle is theta. Or this angle is also theta. So this is the time taken for the swimmer to cross the river. 0.5 divided by 3 sine theta minutes. Now let's move to part B. Here the vertical component of the speed is 3 km per hour, takes him to the opposite. So time to cross river, this will be equals to vertical distance or the width of the river divided by the vertical velocity, this which is 3. So this is 0.16 hours. So we can convert it into minutes. So we will write it as 0.16 multiplied with 60 minutes, or it will give us a value of almost 9.6 minutes. So this is the shortest possible time when the swimmer just crosses the river in perpendicular direction to the flow. And this is the time when the swimmer crosses the river at an angle theta with the flow of the river. So this is in hour only. This is not in minute. This will be in hour.